Welcome back to Olympic. Today I'm going to show you the one cue you need to reset posture. Follow along with me. Here we go. We all think that we need to improve our posture. And the reality is, most of us do. But if you go online, you'll see a litany of recommendations. You want to stand up straight. You want to have your chin back. You want to have your shoulders back. You want to tense up your abs, but you want to continue to breathe. And the list goes on. But today I'm going to show you the one thing that you need to do to make everything else fall into line for the benefit of good posture. Here we go. What I'm going to have you do is you're going to start off with your arms down to your side. Now, what you may notice that when you do this, your thumbs are turned in. Now, what that signifies is that not just your hands and your thumbs are in, but your elbow pockets are also in. When your elbow pockets are in, your shoulder is internally rotated. When your shoulder is internally rotated, your shoulder is more likely than not pronated. When your shoulder is pronated, your chin is probably jutted forward. And when that happens, your upper back is in what's called a kyphotic or excessively curved position. So to make sure that everything else upstream falls into line, what I want you to do is 4 words: live life thumbs forward. When you live your life's thumb forward, your elbow pockets are also forward. Your shoulder is externally rotated. Your shoulder itself is set back. Your chin resets back, and you have a more neutral S curve of the spine. Voila, you've reset your posture.